What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about AMC Entertainment stock. Then we're going to check the options flow for AMC. So today the stock was up almost 7.82%, which was a pretty good day. There was a relief for almost every ape out there, especially for the new investors. There is no major news of concern regarding Omicron so far. So the broader market is doing very well. Almost everything was green today. So there was an article that was published by Benzinga today. A whale with a lot of money to spend has taken a noticeably bullish stance on AMC Entertainment. Looking at the options history for AMC Entertainment, we detected 13 strange trades. If we consider the specific of each trade, it is accurate to state that 53.85% of the investors open trade with bullish expectations and 46.15% with bearish. From the overall spotted trades, 7 are puts of a total amount of $286,000 and 6 call for a total amount of $778,000. Taking into the account the volume and the open interest on these contracts, it appears that the whales have been targeting a price target from $28 to $33 for AMC Entertainment over the last 3 months. Volume and open interest development. In terms of liquidity and interest, the mean open interest for AMC Entertainment option trades today is $5,081.43 with a total number of 20,967. In the following chart, we are able to follow the development of the volume and open interest of calls and put options for AMC Entertainment. Big money trades within a strike price range of $28 to $33 over the last 30 days. AMC Entertainment option volume and open interest over last 30 days. Where is the AMC Entertainment standing right now? With a volume of 23 million, the price of AMC is up 6.72% at $30.72. The RSI indicator hint that the underlying stock may be approaching oversold. Next earnings are expected to be released in 92 days. Options are riskier assets compared to just trading the stock, but they have higher profit potentials. Serious option traders manage the risk by educating themselves daily, scaling in and out of trade, following more than one indicator, and following the market closely. So in this article, basically they are telling that a lot of option traders are betting that the AMC is gonna go up. After having a few very dark red days, it's finally AMC Entertainment stock has started going back up with the broader market. Like I mentioned before in my previous videos as well, I would love to see AMC getting squeezed in a bullish market, because if there is any type of downturn on the broader market, the hedges are waiting for that kind of a scenario where they can literally shake off the new retail investors. No matter what they do, they have to cover their short position by buying back the shares. Now let's look into the option flow for the AMC Entertainment stock. So there are only few trades that I found a little bit suspicious in AMC. So he's selling a call option for $85. What does that mean is, if the stock price stay below $85, then he will be collecting a premium on his shares. If the stock price goes above $85, then he needs to sell his shares. Expiry date of this contract is basically on the 17th of June 2022, which is very far away, and it could be very risky as well, because if the short squeeze happen before June, then this guy has to sell his share. Now when I go down a little bit further, yesterday there was a very interesting put option came in. There are these four buyers. They bought, one of them bought a $140 put, 22 contracts. That's whatever the contracts are over here, that's multiplied by 100. So he's buying a $140 put option. This one is buying a $145 put option. These are again the same amount of contracts. And then another $140 put, that's 78 contracts, and $145 put, again 78 contracts. So what does that mean by this trade is basically they are betting the stock price is going to go below $145 to $140. On the 21st of January, we have the monthly option expiration, and we have a lot of contracts which are already in the money. According to the numbers, it seems to be like we might have a squeeze before this, But you never know. We cannot predict what's going to happen in the market. These guys are basically buying way too much out of the money puts. The rest were pretty simple, but still, there is a lot of bearish sentiment towards the stock. But you cannot predict what's going to happen. This is a very volatile stock. Playing option could be very risky. Now, let's look into the flow of GME. Now, over here as well, it's a pretty mixed sentiment. We have the earnings for GameStop tomorrow. We hope something new comes up and they try to do something which might create a squeeze. But you never know. Last time the earnings were bad. As we know, these two stocks are not fundamental play. These are basically short squeeze play. People are just buying and holding the stock. So if there is a downside, if there is a bad earnings tomorrow as well, it won't affect that much onto the stock price. It will go down, but a little bit. There is a resistance. It always bounce up from that 140 to 150 range. And there is a very mixed sort of a sentiment towards the stock, bending towards the bearish or just to the bullish side. Let's see what comes out tomorrow with the GameStop earning. If there is anything they are going to announce something new towards the company, or they are offering some sort of a NFT. Now this is one photo that I have found over the Reddit in the AMC entertainment community. What this picture shows basically that the mother and child both are having fun, both are in a very different mindset. The mom is basically the old apes, which are basically enjoying whatever is happening in the stock right now. The price is going down, the price is going up. It really doesn't affect the old apes because we have seen all of this thing in the past. So there is nothing new for us. When we look at the child over here in this picture, he seems to be like very terrified. He seems to be like, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna lose it all. That's kind of a feeling this new apes are having right now in the community, and this is very natural for any individual to experience. Now, stock market is the best way to lose your money. It's simple as that. And especially when you have already lost some money in the past investing into the wrong stocks without understanding how the market works, this could be a very scary scenario for any new individual who just bought the stocks recently around 35 to $40. But my conviction is so solid into AMC Entertainment stock that this stock is going to have a short squeeze and we're going to make a lot of tendies on it. Now it's up to you to decide that you want to really enjoy the ride or you want to feel terrified. You just have to hold on to something, just like the way both the old ape as well as the new apes are holding. That's all you have to do to survive this roller coaster ride. So if you are thinking of yourself investing in the US stock market, please use the link in the description box below. In the meanwhile, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Cheers.